I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to stay updated on your transactions through the Amex app, enabling transaction alerts is a great way to do it. Here is how you can set it up in just a few steps. Step 1. Open the Amex app. Launch the American Express app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate your account settings. Once you're in the app, tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner, and select Account Settings. Step 3. Find Notification Preferences. In the Account Settings menu, look for Notification Preferences or Alerts. This is where you can manage all your alert settings. Step 4. Enable Transaction Alerts. Within the Notification Preferences, locate the option for Transaction Alerts. Toggle this option on to start receiving alerts for your transactions. Step 5. Customize alert settings. You can further customize how you receive alerts, such as via push notifications or email. Select your preferred method and save your changes. Remember, if you don't see the option for transaction alerts, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Enjoy staying informed about your spending.